Vancouver Aquarium are working to learn more about these animals every single day. Now, first of all, we know we're very lucky to get to work with them, as Pacific white-sided dolphins are pretty rare to find in by them by that torpedo-shaped body, as well as the black, gray, and white patterns that run down their sides. And not only are they beautiful-looking animals, they're actually also considered to be one of the most acrobatic species of dolphin in the world. Pacific white-sided dolphins are found in the North Pacific Ocean, with their range extending from northern Mexico and all the way across to Jamaica. You see them tail walking through the water. Now, out of curiosity, who here has ever seen a Pacific white-sided dolphin in the ocean before? A couple of hands are going up. Not too many, just a few. Well, they are becoming an increasingly common sight in the waters off of Vancouver. But they also face an increasing number of threats in our waters. Now, in fact, both of these dolphins have first-hand experience with those dangers. And Paula, as a trainer who works so closely with them, can you tell us about their story of survival?
I sure can. Both of our dolphins are what are referred to as rescued and rehabilitated animals. They were both found entangled in fishing nets off the coast of Japan. They were then taken to rehabilitation centers where they were deemed non-releasable. But luckily for us, they found permanent homes here at the Wild Coast. Now working with me today are the beautiful Hannah and Helen. They have both been here since 2005, and we have been able to build and maintain a strong relationship with them in order to provide them with the best possible care through training and regular checkups. Everything that we learn through their healthcare helps veterinarians and researchers to gain a better understanding of this mysterious species. In fact, every day that we work with them reveals more information not only about their species, but also their individual personalities, which, believe it or not, are just as different as you and I. But most importantly, Hannah and Helen teach us that nets can pose serious threats to dolphins all over the world.
Thanks so much, Paula. And together with researchers, we're working to learn more about these animals, and we're also trying to discover new ways of protecting them. And in order to do that, we need to review what we already know about Pacific white-sided dolphins. We know they travel in groups of 2 individuals like you're seeing here today, or in groups as large as 200 to 2,000 individuals. In fact, the recently spotted dolphin
Aku tak gambar lah. Aku tak gambar pula. So aku jadi record lah. Tak apa, record je. Nanti setengah boleh print screen. Oh my god.
Oh wow. And that speed that you're seeing is not only useful for these animals to evade predators, quite clearly,
Oh, laju gila.
useful for these animals to chase down and catch their prey. So, I'm hoping that on the count of 3, you folks can yell out nice and loud for me an example of something dolphins might eat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Absolutely! It's just something dolphins can eat. Or sweets, or something you're hearing here. But let's imagine for a moment what it must be like to be a Pacific white-sided dolphin hunting for food in the North Pacific Ocean. Our waters are teeming with life, and there are literally thousands of different kinds of fish out there. Now, we know that dolphins devote a lot of energy to chasing down and catching their prey, but exactly how much? Well, that's a question we had here at the aquarium that we were able to answer with the help of Hannah and Helen. We wanted to know how much energy it takes for a dolphin to be a dolphin, because usually you imagine them being able to leap out of the water like that, or maybe something like that. But in order to better understand how they move around like this, we need to calculate something called a metabolic rate.